Hi everyone, Steve Sirico for Dance Teacher Web. In today's how-to, we're going to focus on doing plie with pulses, a little releve, and then a little piked battement. Now, the side effects of these where they're going to really help them in their dance is increased control. Increased control in plies, increased control in battements. And this is always really an important thing for students because we know students are eager, they want to run before they can even walk. This is a great exercise to get everything under control and for them to develop that core strength. So we're going to focus on our plie, the alignment of the knees, and then the pike hip, and then the recovery where we're really going to work on those core muscles. Okay, so Amanda's back with me to demonstrate this exercise, and what we're going to do is we're going to go through the entire exercise, both right and left. I'll talk a little bit as we're doing it, give you some counts, and then afterwards we're going to break it down and really dissect it. All right, so Amanda, feet start off in ballet second. We go down, the port-de-bras up, and you plie 1, 2, 3, 4. She pulses 5, 6, 7, 8. Releve up, come down, push, lift, little demi-plie, and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. She pulses 5, 6, 7, 8. Rise up and down, other side, pitch battement, and down and lift. Okay, so let's not talk about this. So grand plie in second, the arms are going to do this little port-de-bras where they come up and go down. Now again, the students, we want to make sure that knee and toe is in perfect alignment. Pelvis is really pushing forward. In this position, she does a little pulse into the floor, into the floor, into the floor. Now from here, a little rise up. Again, making sure those toes, the heels stay forward, go down off your releve. Then right from this position, they push up, pitch, and little plie, and recover. So just do that transition, Amanda, from the grand plie into the pitch kick. And they really want to take this arm and go up, lift, and recover. And you can even go behind your students, give them that little assistance to really get it. So now do the pitch on your own with that arm going up. So you go down and lift, and plie and recover. And you'll notice what's very important that Amanda is doing. After the battement, she's just not letting that leg slam down into the floor. She's controlling the lift and controlling the down. As we know, students, especially with good flexibility, those legs go up easy and then they come down out of control. This is a great way to develop that control. Do that one more time. So you do the plie, she lifts and slow. That foot comes down, there could be an egg under her foot, she wouldn't break it. That's how we really want them to focus on this exercise. So Amanda, let's do it one more time. This time we're going to do it with counts. And as a matter of fact, let's have you face this way doing it. So we have pulse, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, back is nice and straight, 5, 6, 7, 8. Releve 1, 2, heels down, 3, 4, lift, and 7 and 8. Very nice. And this is a great exercise to, again, to develop control, to develop strength in both grand battements and also in grand plies. And again, anything that we can to increase the awareness of the dancers for proper alignment is really going to be a big key.